Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one we put s square and s. Next we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one because we have s square. So I will put negative number 4 go to the left. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides because we don't have number 2. So we need to divide both sides by number 2. This one we change for u. S square we change for this one. S, the S we change for this one. So u divided by this one, that is about u to the power of 1 minus 3 over 2. And this one we have negative 1 over 2. The next one that is about negative 3 over 2. So we have the formula in here. So we put negative 1 over 2 gone here. So negative 1 over 2 plus 1, we have positive 1 over 2. This one gone here and we have negative 1 over 2. And now we have the final answer. About u, that is about s squared minus number 4. This is the end. Thank you for watching.